So from a organization perspective, right, or from a business segment perspective, I would expect this budget to be a very business-friendly budget, industry-friendly budget. So make it easy to do business in India. Um, there's a lot of talk about Companies Act and other things being reviewed and made simpler. So those are the expectations from this budget to make the whole environment of doing business in the country much simpler and much easier. So IT sector is a booming sector. So I mean, some the expectations are the budget would set aside some amount of money to make enhance the IT budget further. Skills development, etc., is very critical for the IT industry. So the budget should pay special attention to those areas. And from a tax perspective, etc., whatever the government can do to enable the IT segment to go further and improve the exports. Those are the expectations. I think that's the expectation in general from the IT industry as such. I mean, nothing special from us. So, see, from a pure IT industry perspective, right? Since a lot of the revenue is export revenue, right? Higher dollar actually doesn't create a lot of problems for the IT industry, right? It's usually the other way around. Uh, but the thing is, I assume the dollar has to stabilize at some point in time. So the government, see, I'm not an expert, so I'm sure the government would take advice of experts and try to stabilize it at a particular point.